I, Japheth Koome.
Engineer Japheth Koome nuri ukoretwo gitugitira ruhoge rwa borithi kwa makiria ma miaka 30 aya gukorwo wo kuihuria ithenya riria riratigirwo ni Hilary Mutyambai ta munene wa borithi wona Mbunge ya muhitukia.
Our officers out there
agithũrimwo ni kamiti ya hamwe Mbunge-ini ya Senate na ya bururi igii ugitiri wa thiini muthenya wa ira. Koome ni araheanire itumi cia kuonania niwe mwagiriru kuihuria ithenya riri.
Not one member of the public for DPP and another member of the public for the DCI or IG is the same member of the public. And at the end of the day, what we want is delivering service to mwananchi. We must work together.
Mbunge ya Senate riwe githukira uritu kwa murogwa Koome gitugiria itemiria ke ihinda riwa koretwo ruhonge-ini rwa borithi.
Senate approves the nomination of Engineer Japheth Koome for appointment to the position of Inspector General of the National Police Service.
Mr. Speaker, we have come a long way on getting professionals to the police force, and it's gratifying to note that the person that this House is discussing for approval to be our next IG is a trained engineer.
Ugukiri uguo umwe wa maria Mbunge ya Senate yendekithitie Koome kiriria agihitukio ni kung'ethanira na uhaguku wa ugitiri uria ugumeire icigo nyingi ari ni hamwe na mucii wa Nairobi.
Just the other day, Mr. Speaker, a university student was stabbed by thieves on a motorcycle in one of the upmarket estates in Nairobi. So I hope that once the IG assumes office, he will put this as a priority to address issues of insecurity.
Ndeto ikonainie na ugumania ruhonge-ini rwa borithi no eyumiririe maseneta makienda Koome aruge ruhonge ruru ruria rukoretwo rugitumika gutheremia ugumania no na gukiriguo agacirithie mirutire ya wira ya afitha a borithi.
The National Police Service, Mr. Speaker, there is matters recruitment of new officers, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, that exercise of recruitment of new police officers in this country has been marred with a lot of corruption, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we have parents who have to sell 2-3 acres of land for their children to join the police force. I hope, Mr. Speaker, the new Inspector General of Police will ensure that the recruitment is free and fair.
Kamiti ya hamwe ya ugitiri ni yeregereirwo gutemania riboti ya kuhitukia kana kuregana na wamurani wa Koome kwa ihinda ria thikũ itakirite 28 na agihitukio thutha ucio Mbunge ya bururi eheane riboti kuri mutongoria wa bururi.
People taking advantage of that situation.
Giribotera Kameme TV, ritoria kwa ni Mubi wa Shege.
People taking advantage of that situation.